name's Barbara Hand, and I've come to the Atlanta Human Performance Center to rehab from a fall that I had in October of 2019. I broke my leg and my arm and dislocated my shoulder. So I had to have emergency surgery on the leg, and in December I came, and I chose this because my husband, through the VA, was outsourced to PT for his back, and he had such a wonderful experience here, and so I chose to come here. I was in the middle of PT when coronavirus hit, and they closed everything, and Dr. Evans had to close his business. So I continued my exercises, all the ones that I could do at the house. I had bands, I had standing exercises, laying exercises, sitting exercises, and I did them every day without fail. I can't believe how unpainful this is. I took 1/2 of a pain pill through all of that. And I talked to the doctor when I went back for rehab, or went back for a visit, and he said, I told him, I said, I continued the exercises. I said, and this has been miraculously pain-free. And I have a 12-inch incision. And I said, would that have anything to do with it? He said, oh yeah, you doing all those exercises and keeping them up would be. And I thought, this is wonderful, because I didn't have to go on any kind of opiates. The occasional Tylenol, but so because of Corona, I did all in-home PT, and when I finished with that, Dr. Evans was back open, and I elected to come back over here to the gym to finish exercising out. My goal is by December I'm going to be off cane, and I love this because I have the PT assistants, everybody's helpful. Dr. Evans always comes by and checks with me, sees how I'm doing, making sure I'm doing it properly. But I tend to overdo, so they keep a very close watch on me as far as times and weights and things like that. And I've had a marvelous experience here. Everybody is just lovely, and they've treated me so good. I did in-home PT after the hip because of the COVID. Everything was shut down. And she was amazed. I mean, I was going up and down the steps, holding on, but going up and down the steps properly without a cane. And she's like, I can't believe you're doing this already.
Right.
Because it's usually one step and then one step and then one step.
Right.
But I'm up and down. I did properly.
Well, again, your injury, the timeline of your injury, I think, is very important for us to go over again. You fractured your femur, and you fractured your humerus and dislocated your shoulder. We initiated strengthening and range of motion on those areas of your knee, hip, and upper and lower extremity. Got you very strong, and then you had a deterioration of your hip. After your deterioration of your hip, your orthopedic surgeon went in and replaced the hip joint. Due to you being strong and having good range of motion before the hip replacement, has established you way beyond the rehab potential of most, and certainly way ahead of time on getting back up on your feet and doing normal activities. And you continue to do that in the fitness center, and that's wonderful.
Yeah.
You're a model patient and very pleasant to work with.
Well, I love this place.
Great.
I feel personal. I feel I'm important, and I wouldn't go anywhere else.
Well,
quite frankly.
Well, thank you.
It's so many places that you go. It's like you're just a number or a face or that, but I feel like a person here, and you treat me like a person.
We appreciate you've been a model patient in rehab. Thank you.
You're more than welcome.